Oh, he's scared.
Get him, Haley.
Come here. Oh,
You got him.
I think he looks like a Furby. I would name him Furby.
If he was a girl, I think that would be a good name.
Well, let's see if he'll. Let's see if he'll.
Okay, boss.
Let's,
Chase.
TJ.
He doesn't look like a Chade. You hush. Let Mama and Dad name
well,
him.
Mama, no pressure, because if you don't want him, there's other people that do. But he's your birthday present from me if you do want him. And you don't have to decide now. Keep him a day or two and then decide.
And if you don't want him in a day or two, then somebody else will take him.
Oh, that's so hard.
It's not hard. All you do is let him out with Roy. It's not hard. He went poop outside for us a while ago already. Didn't he, Haley?